We provide forklift certification training for companies and individuals. People come here to learn new skills. My name is Art Merino. I'm the owner of Forklift Academy. What I did is what I call a calculated risk. So initially I started an online solution. I tested the business for at least a couple of years before I take it. Right now, the company is growing pretty good. We do have several locations across the country. We're still expanding. We are now creating another company, Scissor Academy, and we decided going to a franchise model. So in January 2021, we're launching this franchise model where people can purchase business models so they can run on their own. That is the way I'm expanding the footprint across the US. The idea, I worked for 500 Forklift company my entire career, and I saw that safety was very, very important. I noticed and I found out that many companies, they don't understand those rules and regulations. So I decided to start this company to kind of help people and spread the word, if you will, regarding safety in the industrial area, in the job. Safety at the job site is very, very important. I worked for 20 years, really, and then I started my company on the side as a part-time job, if you will, and then all of a sudden the company started getting bigger and bigger. I went to school, I get an undergrad on business, and then I got my MBA. That kind of helped me from a business standpoint understand the overall perspective on how to run a business. So this is when I jumped ship and started this thing full-time. I spend time with the family and my girls. I think that's really my full-time job. This is just, I'm doing this for fun, I guess, or my part-time. The licensing will take half a day. You should be able to have your license and everything should be done. What we do when people come in, they can complete what they call a sit-down class 4 equipment, which is the typical warehouse equipment. And then they can do the electric pallet jack, the one that you walk by and then you move inventory that way. And the next one is the walkie rider or in rider. That is the one that you step on it and then drive around. And finally is the scissor lift, or what is called man lift, that you go up and down. Every time when you learn new skills, you invest in the future, especially nowadays when there's a demand for these type of jobs, supply chain, industrial type of jobs, and that definitely is going to help you to get better and find new jobs.